quick sound check. I've got Alto TS410s, and the subs are two Rockville Slim D8s. Those are dual 8s set at 12 o'clock. This one as well, same deal. 12 o'clock. These are kind of a hidden gem. I've been telling everybody about these. They're light, they're rugged. It's got a real nice finish to them. Don't get scuffed up. But yeah, let's check out what these things can do. Highly recommend these speakers, both the Altos and the Rockvilles. But these are my go-to subs. They're portable and they're dual mount, so you can mount on the top or lay this thing flat, mount right there as well. Enjoy. Peace.